Hey everyone! With the EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank, a stylish and cutting-edge gadget made to meet the charging demands of contemporary customers, we're delving into the realm of portable power solutions today. With this innovative power bank, EcoFlow, a company known for its cutting-edge energy solutions, has taken a risk by fusing MagSafe technology to produce a product that blends practicality, fashion, and adaptability. The EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank is distinguished by its robust yet understated appearance. Made from superior metal, it guarantees extra strength and has a luxurious feel. The device is lightweight and portable, fitting neatly into a pocket or small bag thanks to its modest size and low weight. The Rapid's unique magnetic MagSafe attachment method is what makes it unique. This feature guarantees safe and accurate alignment with the iPhone's back, providing a smooth charging experience without blocking the camera. Because of its integrated flip-out legs, the power bank can also be used as a smartphone stand, which makes it perfect for hands-free use for playing media or making video chats. The gadget has an integrated USB-C cable, which improves portability and eliminates the need for additional connections. A 5,000 mAh battery with a cable charging power of up to 30 watts is part of its charging capacity. Fast charging is made possible by this feature for both the power bank and any connected devices. The Rapid has a maximum output of 15 watts and uses the QI 2.0 standard for wireless charging. Rapid's MagSafe technology, which enables incredibly quick charging for the iPhone 15, achieving 50% charge in just 30 minutes, is one of its main features. Although this capability is better suited for short-term use rather than full battery restoration, the power bank can also charge laptops via the USB-C port. Additionally, the gadget has a temperature management system that, in the event that overheating is detected while wireless charging, dynamically lowers power output, guaranteeing longevity and safety. The Rapid is a very useful and easy-to-use tool, even though its small battery may prevent it from fully charging a laptop. The EcoFlow Rapid is a dependable option, whether you need a rapid power boost while on the road, a stand for your smartphone during a video call, or a backup power source for several devices. Additionally, EcoFlow has revealed plans to increase the number of power bank models it offers, including ones with 10,000 and 20,000 mAh capacity. Users looking for cutting-edge charging solutions will have even more options with these next devices, promised improved features, and EcoFlow app compatibility. In conclusion, the EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank is a remarkable fusion of functionality, creativity, and design. It meets the demands of tech-savvy consumers by providing quick, effective charging in a small, fashionable package. The EcoFlow Rapid is a good option if you're searching for a contemporary and dependable power bank. Please share your opinions about this new power bank in the comments section below. Please remember to hit the bell symbol to stay updated, like, and subscribe if you like this review. Have a nice day, and God bless you.